Good morning, good morning. Today na Sunday morning, 28th of September. Nakale we can unpeel, we can listen to unbox, so unpeel my new pot then. Okay, these are the new pots then where I buy na Ocean, Strasbourg. A video on sales, c'est à minus 50%. Okay, minus 50%. So I buy this because I can let for them macaroni. They have delicious food them. So now in this day for. Alright. We as well get this. This of course now I make like my fried rice, my chip, my jollof rice, you name it, my tomato rice. Now this now they use. And back same thing a day minus 50. Minus 50%. Alright? So, you know, my like for change things and certain day. And when I go see there, I like the color. I say, wow, I like them. So now tell us, I say, them put your need for buy them, I like them. So we get them. This, now the one where they cook me soup them pa. Okay? My soup, whether na okra now, pamay soup or boiled soup or potato for you name it in the inside. And this other one, of course, now they use for fry me egg. Instead now the same thing, and minus 50. They all get minus 50. They all get minus 50. So now they use for fry like me egg. You know, because like I get air fryer, what they say air fryer, yes, air fryer machine where they use oil. So we I can use for fry like my chips, my Irish potato chips, and my plantain and other stuff. But like when I make egg omelets, now then where I use. So today, the one they can try for, so they can test, so they can pull na bundo bush. Now this fire because they can cook fried rice, okay? And they can cook small fried rice. So now this we can use. Because they try for think, and only if na beaucoup fried rice, I can cook, and only if na small fried rice. But nevertheless, maybe I will use this. Or maybe I use this. It depends. So, now we can test the pot then. Okay? And I will see the fried rice that they can cook and today. Fried rice and small chicken, full fried rice. The pot is really, really nice. Really nice. Finding the okay. It's so nice. Nothing cover. And this now the inside. Wow. Now see the inside. So nice. It's so nice. So nice, you know. I'm in love with it. I already don't love from the first day I said the color of Sesef Alekan. You know, thick blue. Thick blue. And the cover so nice. When I get this half space here, this half space then I like where they boil the breeze like when they come out. See? So now they can try them. I'm sure now they can cook me rice. Sure, I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure. Alright, so now I can wash some. And in my next video, when I will see where I will show now how to cook my fried rice. Okay? And don't forget to subscribe, share, like to Lisa Alisam channel. Please una support una picking them. Then they TikTok, then they Facebook, and then they YouTube as well. Una subscribe, do you have the big una subscribe and una help we share. So more people and go know about this channel. There are more people and go support them. Two wonderful angels there. Do you have me at the big una? And as well as una they support them na Facebook with stars. Una support them na TikTok and YouTube as well. Una support them na YouTube with stars and as well as Facebook with the big una una leave una comments there, una tell what una like about this particular two picking there, una tell what una like on the Lisa Alisam channel, una tell we there for satisfy una, we there for make una happy. So please una tell we love una so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah.